Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I'm going to be your host today for another Crafty Vision segment. I'm coming to you all to show y'all how to make this little cutie right here. Now, I stumbled upon this. I said it in a previous video where me and my grandson were sitting down and we were making some things and using these pipe cleaners. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something. Okay, this right here opened up a whole new different way of crafting. Okay, these pipe cleaners, a whole new different way. Now, when you look at these, you be like, man, how, what, but I made this. So I'm going to show y'all today how to take a technique, because it is done through a technique, on how to make that earring. Now, we'll not be adding a fish hook. I'm just going to show you the technique and how to make the earring. Also, I want y'all to know that you can, any DIY videos that I make, y'all, you can definitely recreate the idea. All right, I get from time to time people asking me if they can recreate the idea. If it's a DIY or do it yourself, yes, you can. Okay, so you're gonna need 3 pipe cleaners. Now, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that these are 12, they're about 12 inches long. And you can find these in most craft stores. Walmart, you can find them at Hobby Lobby, I'm sure. You can find them at Michael's. I'm not sure about Joann's Fabrics, because I've never seen anything in there like this. But I know at Michael's, Walmart's, you can find them online. They're just pipe cleaners. And they come in all different types of, in the colors. Okay, the colors. They have the neon colors, they have neutral colors, they have, if you go to Michael's have them in all colors. And I'm thinking about checking out Michael's, because I'm gonna tell y'all something. Okay, so you're gonna need 3 pipe cleaners, your choice of colors, whatever colors you want. You're gonna need your round nose pliers. I'm really not gonna be, I will be using those. Round nose pliers, your wire cutters. You're gonna need a 10mm wood bead. Okay, the bead the hole has to be big enough to fit on aluminum wire. Okay, so I do have some aluminum 12 gauge black aluminum wire, and you're going to need a dowel. Now, let me show you. You're gonna need 2. Now, this dowel right here, I got from the Dollar Tree. This dowel may be too big, okay? Because these pipe cleaners, like I said, are only 12 inches long. So I got this one from Home Depot, and I cut it in half. It's a long strip of wood, and actually, let me see how big this is. It's a little bit more than a half of an inch. Okay, it's a little more than a half of an inch, but it is literally not that that big. It's not bigger than this one. This one, like I said, I got it from Walmart. It comes in a pack of 3. So you're gonna need a dowel. All right. Now, let's go ahead and create this. So the very first thing that you want to do is, it's got to be some twisting going on, right? So let me tell you the measurements of this aluminum wire, because I know somebody going to ask me. This is about 24 inches. I am not going to be using 24 inches of wire, okay? So I'm going to cut this to 12 inches because that's all I'm gonna need. I'm not gonna need 24 inches. So let's cut this 12 inches, okay? Just 12 inches of wire. And we're gonna go ahead and start making this earring. So basically, you have to decide on which piece you want in the middle or the end or whatever. So my black is pretty much in the middle. You're gonna take all three of your pieces, okay? And you're gonna do a twist effect. It's gonna be like a twist effect. So you're gonna start twisting just like this. That's all you're gonna do. You're gonna take all three of your pieces and you're gonna start twisting it. Okay? Now you wanna twist it as much as you can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start twisting all three of these pieces together. All right, I hope y'all can see where I'm going at with this. And this is the look. Once you twist all three of them together, this is basically what you are going to get. I did forget to mention that you will need a hot glue gun. So excuse me for that. So basically, you just want to twist, and you want to twist it all the way down. And you just want to stay up pretty much at the top, your top piece, and just keep twisting it as you work your way down. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that part, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so once you've twisted, this is pretty much how it is going to look. But as you can see each color. You can see the purple, you can see the pink, and you can see the black. All three colors, okay? Now, we're going to put that aside, and we're going to go ahead and work on the part that is going to be attached to. So you're going to take your dowel, and you're going to come pretty much in the middle of your wire and bring these two pieces together, and you're going to have a loop. Okay, you're making a loop. Now what you want to do is you want to twist your wire. I'm going to be holding this to the side like this, and you're going to twist it around just like that. Okay, and take it off. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. That's your little circle right here. That's your little hole. Okay, now once you do this, I'm going to put it back on. And I'm going to take it around one more time and push one piece up like this. So one piece is going to come up, and one piece is going to pretty much be to the side. Okay, just like that. All right, that's what you're going to have. Now I'm going to take this off, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. Okay, now you're going to start on the side where you're going to start on this side, whichever side that's not the long piece. So we're going to start wrapping from this side. Okay, so we want to take our pipe cleaner, and we're going to start wrapping. So I'm going to pretty much take it from the front, bring it to the back, and I'm going to hold it just like this, and I'm going to start wrapping it. Okay, and when you're wrapping it, you want to try to make sure that you wrap it nice and tight. Okay, make sure that it's nice and tight as you are going through you're going from the back to the front. Just make sure that it's nice and tight. Make sure that you're pulling it as tight as you can on your wire. okay? And you're going to go all the way around this whole entire circle and make sure that it's nice and tight. Just like this. Okay. I know it don't really look too much like anything right now, but you will see. Okay. Just keep wrapping. Just like this. And as you can see, you see the plushiness starting to okay. Now, if you want, you can probably use this one here from Walmart, because I'm looking at the size. I mean, I didn't make these using that dowel because I wanted to make sure that I would have enough left over. Okay. So you just want to continue to do this, wrap it. Make sure that you are bringing it as close as possible. Okay. And you just continue to wrap around. And when you get to the very end, okay, you bring it over like this. And I'm going to snip it and just glue it to the back. All right, so basically, I'm going to move that up a little bit. And I'm going to take my glue gun. I'm going to snip this. And the thing about the pipe cleaner, I'm hoping I'm in frame. You don't have to worry about it fraying. And you just take a little bit of glue and come right here. Hit it with the glue. And you just hold it down. And that's going to hold it right in place. Okay. And that's not going to come loose. So this is the front of your earring. And then the next thing you do, you take this piece right here and you start wrapping. Okay, just like this. And you go around as many times as you see fit. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go around 5 times. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to go to the back. This is what you have. I'm going to snip right there. And then all you do is take your piece, your bead, and slide your bead on. Slide it down. Pinch it over. You're going to snip it like that to make your loop. And then you bring your loop over. Okay, and you got yourself a really cute earring. Now, I have never pretty much seen this done before. I've never seen any pipe cleaners made out of, I've seen people make pipe cleaners out of earrings, but I've never seen it done like this. So this concludes my DIY. And also I want to tell you, make sure that you remember how you have your earring set up. And what I mean by that is when you take your pieces and you put them together like this to twist them, make sure that you remember how you did your first one, because you want them to come out exactly the same. If you take and you put one here and you forget it, it's going to change the look. But if you put all three of them together the same exact way, it will come out the way that you want it to be. Okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time, go make plenty. Go make plenty, y'all. Look at this. I got them in, you can take and just make plenty, y'all. I am on Instagram. For those of you who would like to join me on that platform, please reach out to me. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a share. It would all be greatly appreciated. So, go make plenty. Happy crafting. And if you are new, let me slow it up. If you are new and this is your very first time on this platform, please make sure you subscribe. If you like what I do on this channel, I would love to have you, okay? So, and when you subscribe, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. I mean, not the thumbs up. Make sure that you hit the notification bell. I'm trying to get all this in so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. So with that being said, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. And until my next one, see ya.